Hello everyone, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with the trade of the day, and I'm going to actually talk about a couple of them, but NVCT for sure. Now, NVCT, we talk about this sort of a trade in the room all the time. These are these low float IPOs, okay? I think, and they came out, you can see it started trading actually on Friday. Didn't really do much. I think a couple of million shares, maybe 3 or 4 million shares released. I can't remember exactly. And a low IPO price is probably, I think I remember about being 4 and 6. Really didn't do much, okay? But sometimes, and this is not for everybody, okay, but sometimes this is exactly what can happen. At this point, this stock is up 112%. Hardly any shares issued, and all of a sudden, the traders, that's all it is, traders getting a hold of it, and 13 million shares have traded already today. And so, a lot of us in the room, I took advantage on this pullback here, okay? Watch this, and then it got over 5, and I thought, okay, now I wish I said I got out at 782. Of course I didn't. But, this was, but they're very dynamic types of trades. And also, I think there are, somebody in the room mentioned there are going to be 9 IPOs kind of like this one this week. So I'm going to get my IPO list ready. If you want to know how I do it, just come into the room. I'll explain how I track these IPOs. It's easy enough to do with our price alerts, but it's more than that. You can read a little notes section. It'll let you know, and in the notes you put how many shares are to be issued, and also the price range, and maybe who's behind it. And it's these really, really, really crazy ones when they only release about 2 or 3 million shares. That's when you can get these sort of crazy moves. But anyway, so NVCT. The other one I just want to briefly talk about, though, is Peloton, PTON. This is one I traded also. I traded it twice. This came from my gap up and then reversal, okay? And now this is in the news a lot right now, not just because of the fact that the stock has tanked, but now, it looks like the rumors are maybe it's going to be Apple. I think Apple seems to be the leading one in the rumor, but Apple or Disney or Amazon or Nike are maybe going to try to buy these guys. So we'll have to see. That's what popped this one up, okay, after hours, and it kind of resumed, and that also pre-market, that news is getting out there. It's a rumor. But if you look at the low on Friday, this is way down around 23. So I was able to short this one under 30 the second time, got out of it, and then shorted it again. And I don't know where this is going. But you have to be careful, of course, because they could come out with news, I suppose, in theory, during market hours that, we've agreed to be taken over. I find it hard to believe, but it might happen. Peloton also releases earnings after hours tomorrow. I don't think the market is expecting too much. So anyway, lots of excitement in the room today, so I'm going to get back in there. Any questions for me, you can use this email address. Come into the trading room. It's free. Come on into the trading room. A lot of active traders are there, so I can explain how I track the IPOs. And you can come in tomorrow. I'll open the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock Eastern. So have a great evening, everybody, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.